Section 1. General Awareness.
A. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Sardar Patel. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer B. B.R. Ambedkar. Though, what is the capital of Japan? A. Shanghai. B. Seoul. C. Tokyo. D. Bangkok. Answer C. Tokyo. Theme: The Indian National Congress was founded by A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. W.C. Banerjee. C. B.G. Tilak. D. A.O. Hame. Answer D. A.O. Hame. Chart: The longest river in India is A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Brahmaputra. D. Godavari. Answer A. Ganga. 5. The first Indian to travel in space was A. Rakesh Sharma. B. Kalpana Chawla. C. Vikram Sarabhai. D. Sunita Williams. Answer A. Rakesh Sharma. Chair: Who wrote the book Discovery of India? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Sardar Patel. Answer C. Jawaharlal Nehru. 7. Which state is known as the land of 5 rivers? A. Haryana. B. Punjab. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Answer B. Punjab. 8. The headquarters of the United Nations is in A. Geneva. B. New York. C. Paris. D. London. Answer B. New York. No. Who was the first president of India? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. S. Radhakrishnan. C. Zakir Hussain. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Thus, the currency of China is A. Yen. B. Peso. C. Renminbi. D. Won. Answer C. Renminbi. 11. The first Governor General of Independent India was A. Lord Mountbatten. B. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer A. Lord Mountbatten. 12. The Battle of Plassey was fought in A. 1857. B. 1757. C. 1764. D. 1919. Answer B. 1757. 13. The national animal of India is A. Lion. B. Elephant. C. Tiger. D. Peacock. Answer C. Tiger. 14. Which article of the Indian Constitution guarantees fundamental rights? A. Article 32. B. Article 14. C. Article 21. D. Article 12 to 35. Answer D. Article 12 to 35. 15. The festival of lights is known as A. Holi. B. Dashehra. C. Diwali. D. Eid. Answer C. Diwali. Section 2. General English. 16. Find the synonym of brilliant. A. Dull. B. Intelligent. C. Slow. D. Weak. Answer B. Intelligent. 17. What is the antonym of hopeful? A. Pessimistic. B. Optimistic. C. Cheerful. D. Happy. Answer A. Pessimistic. 18. Choose the correct article. He is university professor. A. B. An. C. The. D. No article needed. Answer B. An. 19. Fill in the blank. She is afraid the dark. A. Of. B. Word. C. In. D. About. Answer A. Of. Bees. Choose the correctly spelled word. A. Separate. B. Separate. C. Separate. D. Separate. Answer B. Separate. Pickies. Convert into passive voice. The teacher explained the lesson. A. The lesson was explained by the teacher. B. The lesson explains by the teacher. C. The lesson is explaining by the teacher. D. The teacher was explained by the lesson. Answer A. The lesson was explained by the teacher. Bias. Choose the correct sentence. A. She do not like coffee. B. She doesn't like coffee. C. She doesn't like coffee. D. She don't like coffee. Answer C. She doesn't like coffee. 23. Identify the adverb he spoke politely. A. He. B. Spoke. C. Politely. D. None of these. Answer. C. Politely. 24. What is the plural of child? A. Childs. B. Childs. C. Children. D. Children's. Answer. C. Children. 25. Choose the correct preposition. The book is placed the table. A. On. B. At. C. By. D. Over. Answer. On. 26. The past tense of go is. A. Gone. B. Went. C. Going. D. Goes. Answer. B. Went. 27. Identify the correct sentence. A. He don't know the answer. B. He doesn't knew the answer. C. He doesn't know the answer. D. He not know the answer. Answer. C. He doesn't know the answer. 28. What is the meaning of break the ice? A. To start a conversation. B. To break something. C. To feel cold. D. To start fighting. Answer. To start a conversation. 29. Choose the correct indirect speech. She said, I will come tomorrow. A. She said she would come tomorrow. B. She said she will come tomorrow. C. She said that she would come the next day. D. She said she come tomorrow. Answer. C. She said that she would come the next day. 30. Choose the correct conjunction. He was tired, he continued working. A. And. B. But. C. Or. D. So. Answer. B. But.